Whoa. Welcome to my unboxing. You ain't gonna believe me. It's crazy. I received the notification when the package was received. I was like, huh? Since when the package is received? It's crazy. And I just realized, yep, they delivered wrongly. Oh man, that scares the shit out of me. Let me open this side. I was like, whoa, impossible, they delivered wrongly. I sent the location twice. It was supposed to send to me yesterday. I don't know why. They just didn't send to me yesterday. And I waited today. I was like, it's already 3. I didn't know it takes so long. And you know, I received the message when it says that the package is delivered. I was like, what? Dog shit! No way! Did I get scammed? Definitely give me a heart attack, man. I already paid for this. This is pop. The owner will honor the agreement, but it's just that it's hard to prove. It says that it's already delivered, but it didn't. So it's very hard for me to prove myself. Anyways, I mean, this is evidence of me opening my package for the first time. I'm supposed to have Sony ZV-E10 Mark II and a Sigma lens. I bought this secondhand. I bought this used. Man, I'm broke. I can't afford a new one. So yeah, you know, this is pretty much my 3 months worth of salary, I guess. So let's hope the shop owner actually deliver. Let's see if I open. So how to get out? Oh, it's quite tight. I would say it's double wrap, triple, I think, triple wrap. Pretty good. It's a good thing. Pretty well wrapped, I guess. I can take it out now. Single box. Huh? It's weird. They can actually fit a lens and a camera in this small little box. Okay. Did I got it wrong? Yeah, it's like this. It says here Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Okay. And a Sigma lens 16mm. Thanks God! We have a camera, I guess. We'll put it back later. Camera here. It's well protected, I guess. Yep. I think there's no SD card. At first they told me the previous conversation, they told me that they're gonna include the SD card. But the recent conversation, I think they didn't, because I asked for a very steep discount. I think they gave me extra 100 ringgit discount. I'm very sure the SD card they gave is 64 gig with V30. I don't think it's good enough, man. I want to get a V60 with 128 gigs. I think it costs around 200. Might as well just save the money. Ask as much discount as possible. Oh, if you think the lighting is not that great, it's because it's gonna rain soon in maybe 1 hour or half an hour time. The sky is dark, really dark. Anyways, I'm excited. Really am. And the lens first one. Oh, they got a lens. It's a Sigma lens. Pretty good. Sigma lens. Is it not green color? Why is it yellow and orange? Is this the one where there's a problem with it? I don't know. I'm scared. I thought it's supposed to be green. Or is it green? Green is for new item. Let's put this aside. We have the lens. And we have the camera. Yeah, it's used. Yeah. There's no unboxing experience. I mean, surprisingly. Yep. This must be the previous owner. It's fine. Instruction and all that. It's fine. Not so important. The most important definitely is the camera. It's white. I expect to be black, but yeah, it's fine, I guess. It's white. Quite dusty, not gonna lie. Oh, it is? True. Here's the camera. 3 months of salary. Poof, gone. It's crazy. Is this the extra battery or is this the only battery? Is it the original battery? It doesn't look like it is Sony. I guess straps. Do I need it? Yeah, it's fine, I guess, if there is. What's this? Any idea what's this? The muffle, I guess? What the hell is this? Oh, yeah, it's the muffle. Do you know the fuzzy thing on the mic? Like this mic? Yeah, the fuzzy thing. You can use it on the camera and stuff like that. Check. Steering. There's no battery. Not gonna lie, it's pretty light. It's pretty light. I used to own a Canon D5100. It's a very huge DSLR. Back then, it's around 15 years ago. So yeah, 15 years ago. It's crazy. Is this the SD card? Yep, there's no SD card. Shit. Anyways, I already ordered my new SD card. It's coming within this week, I hope. So I can't test the camera. I mean, I can test if it's working, but I can't really take picture or videos. Let's try it. It works. Let's put this aside. Perform pixel mapping. Let's go. Not enough power. Sheesh. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite, how to say, it's quite clear actually. Quite clear. Pretty good. I don't know if it's a digital zoom or not. Anyways, the camera works. I don't know how good it is, but yeah, it works, I guess. It works. I think that's it. Oh yeah, I better try the mount. Right. Let's try the mount. Twist, click. Works. Damn, this looks ugly. This looks ugly. Black lens with white kit. It's... I know you can switch this. Switch it. How do they detach this? Is it pull it? In and out. Yeah. Got it. Cool. Pretty well. Let's try this. Insufficient power. Wow. I think it works. Wow, it's very close. Like super close. Damn. Wow. I didn't know Sigma's lens was this heavy. I guess gonna wait for my SD card. Then I'm planning to go for outdoor shots. We're gonna try to do as much B-roll as possible. Try and see. I think that's it for my unboxing and my renting, delivering fiasco and all that. That's it. I'll see you.